Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see my YouTube account. So you can see that I'm right now in Google dashboard. Now I'm gonna search here YouTube. Then I'm gonna hit on the enter button. Alright, let's browse YouTube URL. And we should look at the corner, and now we can see your channel.
Congratulations!
So this is my YouTube channel. In this way we can see our YouTube channel. We can customize our channel here. We can manage our video here. So that's the videos for today. If you like my video, do a thumbs up and stay tuned with One School. Bye bye.